Hello, my Poraholic friends. Loida here from loveacrylicpainting.com. Today, I just want to show you a few embellishments that I found here at the dollar store. Look at these 3D stickers. They would be awesome for, a kid's painting. Also, I found these giant eyes for maybe some Halloween painting, I was thinking. Look at these butterflies, 3D butterflies that you could add to, a painting that kind of looks, I don't know, like a majestic, kind of painting. These stickers that have, some great quotes, some scriptures, just awesome stuff that you can add on top. Look at these other stickers. They are just absolutely so cute. They have all these other stickers, great for like kids paintings, and they just, I just found these and I'm like, I need to share these with my followers because I bet they would love these. And they are at Dollar Tree, the dollar store. Yes, you might have different items, but look at this. These are some stencils, and they have those are some stencils. I'm going to show you some other ones right here for under the sea, creatures. And so you could find different items. Look at these. These are like birdies. And so there's, tons of stencils, stickers, decals, all of these stickers that are actually like gems. I'll show you some other ones here. Oh, these are butterflies. And some more birdies right here. Look at the puppies next to it. And then flowers, of course. And then down here, there's some gems. So it's stickers, but it's basically like gems in a sticker form. And let me show you these other ones over here. Like gemstone designs that you basically just, you just stick to your painting. So if you have something like a painting that you don't really like and you want to embellish it somehow, all of these are like great options. Here's another one where these are like metal items. These ones say happy, home, family. So all of these metallic accents you could glue on top of your canvas. And the list just goes on and on. Just your imagination is just your limit. Just imagine what all the possibilities that you can do with all these items. And then on this side, I even found this little cute container with some seashells. Down here, there's more crushed, some glass, some rocks, colored rocks, some bigger rocks over here, some bigger shells over here. There's just a ton of items if you just look. And this whole wall is just full of stuff, just for painting. And I bet you can find even more things here that you could use to embellish your pours. So that's it. I just wanted to share that with you. Hopefully you like it. I'll see you in my next video.